Cats are incredible creatures that always surprise us. Unlike dogs, who usually show when something is bothering them, cats continue their routine as if nothing is wrong, even when they are in pain. But that doesn't mean they don't suffer. On the contrary, often the signs are right in front of our eyes, but go unnoticed. Have you ever noticed your cat acting differently? Maybe they are quieter, avoiding contact, or have even changed their daily habits. Small details that seem harmless can be the only clue that something is wrong. Ignoring these signs can make your friend suffer without you realizing it. In this video, we will uncover the most subtle signs that a cat may be in pain. You might be surprised to learn that behaviors that seem normal can actually be a cry for help. Pay attention and watch until the end. Your cat might be trying to tell you something very important. Change in litter box usage. Did your cat used to use the litter box without any problems, but suddenly started avoiding it? Or maybe they go in, try to do their business, but come out without success? These changes may seem small, but they hide an important signal. Your cat may be in pain. Cats are extremely clean creatures and have a natural instinct to bury their waste. When something is wrong, like a urinary infection, kidney stones, or even joint pain, using the litter box can become a real ordeal. If they associate the place with pain, they may start avoiding the box and doing their business elsewhere in the house. Another worrying sign is excessive straining. If your cat meows differently, seems uncomfortable, or takes longer than usual to finish, pay attention. This can indicate anything from constipation to more serious problems like a urinary blockage, an emergency that requires immediate veterinary attention. Observing your cat's behavior in the litter box can save their life. Small details make all the difference when it comes to feline health. If something has changed, don't ignore it. Your cat may be trying to tell you they need help. Aggressive or evasive behavior. Has your cat always been affectionate, loved being petted, and suddenly started hiding or reacting aggressively to your touch? This may not be a matter of temperament, but a clear sign of pain. Cats are masters at disguising discomfort, an instinct inherited from their wild ancestors, who avoided showing weakness to not become easy prey. But when they are in pain, they can completely change their behavior. If they used to love being on your lap, now they run away at the slightest contact. If they were calm, they might start hissing, scratching, or even biting when someone approaches. This sudden aggression is not malice, it's a cry for help. The pain can be anywhere in the body, joints, teeth, internal organs. And fearing even more discomfort, the cat prefers to avoid touch or defend themselves. If your cat is acting differently, more skittish or reactive than usual, observe closely. This change may be the only way they can say, "Something is wrong, help me." Don't ignore this sign. A vet can find the cause and relieve your four-legged friend's suffering. Changes in eating and drinking habits. Did your cat always run to the food as soon as you filled the bowl, but now seems uninterested? Or maybe they are drinking more or less water than usual. These changes can be one of the first signs that something is not right. Pain can turn the simple act of eating into a big challenge. Dental problems, mouth inflammations, or even stomach pain can make the cat avoid food, even if they are hungry. Excessive thirst can indicate diseases like kidney failure or diabetes. On the other hand, if they suddenly stop drinking water, the risk of dehydration increases, making everything worse. Cats already have a natural instinct to drink little water, and any change in this habit should be observed closely. If your cat is rejecting food or drinking water excessively, don't ignore it. These changes can be a silent cry for help. A veterinary checkup can identify the problem and ensure your feline returns to eating and drinking as before. Weight gain or loss. Does your cat seem thinner than before? Or, on the contrary, have they gained weight without explanation? Weight changes may not just be a matter of diet. Often, they are a silent sign of pain and health issues. Sudden weight loss can be linked to diseases like dental problems, internal inflammations, kidney disease, or even cancer, which make digestion painful and reduce appetite. Unexpected weight gain can indicate hormonal imbalances, joint pain, making the cat move less, or even fluid accumulation due to serious illnesses. If you notice that your cat is thinner or heavier without a change in diet, it's essential to investigate the cause. Pain may be hidden behind these changes, and a veterinary checkup can be key to identifying and treating the problem in time. After all, a healthy cat is a cat at an ideal weight. Vomiting or diarrhea. Every pet owner has seen their cat vomit a hairball or have a slight intestinal upset. But when vomiting or diarrhea becomes frequent, it can be a clear sign that something is wrong, and often it's related to pain. If your cat vomits repeatedly, they may be suffering from stomach pain, intestinal inflammations, obstructions, or even more serious diseases like kidney failure or pancreatitis. Constant diarrhea can indicate infections, food allergies, or painful digestive problems. Additionally, cats are prone to hiding their suffering. They may continue acting normally, but the body is already giving warning signs. If vomiting is accompanied by apathy, lack of appetite, or if there is blood in the stool, the situation is even more concerning. Never ignore persistent digestive changes. If your cat is vomiting or has diarrhea without an apparent reason, a vet can help identify the cause and relieve the suffering before the condition worsens. Lethargy and constant sleep. Did your cat used to be active, curious, and love to play, but now spends most of their time lying down, uninterested in what's happening around them? This behavior change can be one of the clearest signs that they are in pain. Cats naturally sleep a lot, but when sleep becomes excessive and is accompanied by a lack of energy and disinterest in play, something may be wrong. Pain can make the cat avoid movement, whether due to muscle discomfort, joint problems, or even internal diseases. If they used to chase toys and now don't get excited about their favorite activities, observe other signs. Do they hide more? Walk more slowly? Seem uncomfortable when changing positions? Small details can reveal a lot about what they are feeling. Changes in activity levels should never be ignored. If your cat is less playful and more sleepy than usual, a vet can help identify the problem and ensure they feel better again. Bad breath. Have you ever noticed a strong, unpleasant smell coming from your cat's mouth? While many pet owners think this is normal, bad breath can be one of the first signs that something is wrong, and often it's related to pain. Dental problems, such as gingivitis, cavities, or infections, can cause bad odor and make eating a real challenge. Your cat may avoid eating dry food, chew on one side of their mouth, or even drool more than usual. In more severe cases, bad breath can also indicate kidney, liver, or gastrointestinal diseases, which cause pain and compromise the animal's overall health. If your cat's breath has suddenly changed or they show difficulty eating, take them to the vet. Early treatment can prevent complications and, most importantly, relieve your feline's silent suffering. Sneezing, coughing, or runny nose. Is your cat frequently sneezing, coughing, or having a runny nose? These signs may seem like a simple cold, but they can actually indicate something much more serious and painful for your feline. Respiratory infections such as feline flu can cause inflammation in the throat, nose, and even eyes, making each breath uncomfortable. Persistent coughing can be a symptom of asthma, lung diseases, or even heartworms. Excessive nasal discharge can impair the sense of smell and appetite, causing the cat to eat less and become weaker. Watery and red eyes are also a warning sign. Eye infections, allergies, or even dental problems can be behind this symptom, causing pain and irritation. If your cat's eyes seem constantly wet or they blink excessively, don't ignore it. These symptoms may seem harmless, but if they persist, they can indicate problems that require treatment. If your cat is acting differently, breathing with difficulty, or showing signs of discomfort, a vet can identify the cause and relieve the suffering. The sooner the problem is treated, the faster your feline will feel better. Rapid or panting breath. Cats are known for their quiet and calm breathing. But what if something changes? If you notice your cat breathing very quickly, with their mouth open, or seeming to pant without apparent reason, pay attention. This can be a sign of pain or even a more serious problem. Unlike dogs, cats don't usually pant to regulate temperature. When they do, it can be a warning of extreme discomfort, stress, fever, or even heart and lung problems. Rapid breathing can also indicate intense pain, especially if it is accompanied by tense postures or difficulty moving. If your cat is breathing differently, observe other signs. Are they hiding? Do they seem weak or low on energy? Are they avoiding lying down completely? These details help understand the severity of the situation. Altered breathing in cats should never be ignored. If you notice this symptom, seek a vet as soon as possible. Your cat may need help before the situation worsens. Now that you know the signs that can indicate pain in cats, it's important to remember, your feline trusts you to ensure their well-being. Even hiding what they feel, they give small hints that something is wrong, and it's up to us, the owners, to be attentive to these changes. If you notice any unusual behavior, don't hesitate to seek veterinary help. Identifying the problem in time can prevent much suffering and ensure your cat has a healthier and more comfortable life. If you liked our content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other cat lovers. And if you've experienced a similar situation with your feline, tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.